Hey guys, it's Mountain Goat. I got a box from the US, so let's open it up. I got a new item from the US. Let's open it and check what's inside. Ta-da! Thermarest Neoair Xlite NXT. NXT stands for the next. Yeah, it is not sold in Japan yet, so I got it from the US. I'm a gear geek, so I check new gear in my daily life, and one day I found out that the Thermarest released new item that is Neoair Xlite NXT. I checked what it is and found out that, okay, reading the advertisement is better than explaining. So, okay, it says, quiet comfort. Engineering enhancements have reduced use noise by 83%. So that means 83% quieter than the previous models, while delivering 3-inch of stable and supportive comfort. 3-inch thickness is equals to 7.6 centimeters. As far as I remember, the previous model is about 6 centimeters, like 2.5 inches. Sorry if I miscalculated. Yeah, ultra compact, packs down as small as the typical 1-liter water bottle. So I assume that the packing size is almost as same as the previous models, while it is thicker and quieter. And year-round warmth, so 4.5 R value delivers enough insulation for any season. 4.5 R value it's not enough for the extremely cold environment, but if you hike during the extremely cold season, you have to cut down your weight anyway, right? So in this case, Neoair Xlite NXT might be a really good choice for go light in a severe mountain environment, while it still offers you sufficient warmth. And lasting durability, 30 denier ripstop nylon protect against punctures and is light, comfy, and packable. We kinda trust the durability of Thermarest inflatable pad, right? Me myself is confident with the durability already. And wing lock bulb, yeah, the new bulb is so nice, right? Yeah, it's very easy to inflate and deflate. So yeah, I'm a fan of Thermarest sleeping pad, but the one problem, not me, but many people complained about was the noise. You know, it has cranky sounds like a chips bag. Seriously, it is kind of trade-off. So when I sleep, I put earplugs and yeah, and good to go. But the problem is in Japan, the campsites are designated. So that means sometimes the campsite is overcrowded, or even if it's not overcrowded, still you have someone next to your tent. So the hiker like me who starts hiking in a dark, I worried about waking other people up. Thermarest is super noisy when it's packed down. So yeah, it was kind of stress, not only for me, but also other people surround me. This is the biggest problem of the Thermarest sleeping pad, or many of sleeping pads that has thermal capture technology or something like that. But Thermarest, proudly states that they solved the problem greatly. So let's check it out. Okay, I have Thermarest sleeping pad, Neoair Xlite, that is notorious for the sounds. Yeah, this is my mic and you can hear the sound. Yeah. And I also have the Thermarest Uberlite. Yeah, this is also my favorite. It is known for a quieter pad. Yeah. Yeah. And this is Nemo Tensor Insulated. This sleeping pad, Tensor, is known for a quiet sleeping pad. Yeah, so I will inflate all of them and let's check, compare and contrast how noisy or how quiet they are. Okay. Hey guys. Yeah, I fully inflated 4 of them, and yeah, I have to be careful. Like there are cactus behind me, so I try not to get punctured. Okay, anyways, let's check all of them. The first thing is Thermarest Neoair Xlite, the previous model. Let's check the sound. Chips bag. So noisy. So usually when I use it, I use earplugs, and also when I toss and turn on the mat, I always hear people around me. Yeah, so this is the downside. Although it is very comfortable to sleep on. Okay. The next is Uberlite. This is Uberlite. Yeah, Uberlite is known for less noisy, or I can say quieter pad. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but yeah, I can tell the difference. Yeah, you hear the sound through the mic, right? But yeah, I directly hear the sound, and Uberlite is quieter. But it's obvious because the Thermarest Uberlite has more, thermal capture aluminum or something seat inside the sleeping pad, so it will make more noise, right? Like this noise. Okay, next let's check the Nemo Tensor. This is Nemo Tensor, and let's check the sound. yeah, significantly quieter. Actually, it is a quiet sleeping pad, right? This is the sound of friction. So any sleeping pad will make this kind of noise, right? Yeah, there are no like potato chips bag sounds, like annoying, noise. And the problem is whether the Thermarest Neoair NXT is as quiet as this one. And if so, I will be impressed. But if not, okay, let's check. And this is the Thermarest Neoair NXT. Let's check the sound. Yeah, I can tell the difference. It is significantly quieter. Let's check. Let's compare and contrast next to next. Okay. This is the previous model. This is a new model. Yeah, I'm not sure it is like 80 something percent quieter than the the previous model, but it is definitely quieter. And also it is thicker, so yeah, this is the previous model. Yeah. So I think it is more comfortable to sleep on because it is thicker and yeah, quieter. But compared with the Nemo Tensor, Tensor, quiet, no chips noise, while new Neoair NXT still chips back sound. It's much quieter though. So if you want really quiet matte, you should definitely get the Nemo Tensor, but yeah, it is trade-off. Thermarest Neoair NXT is warmer and lighter. It is lighter than Nemo Tensor Insulated, while it is warmer. So personally speaking, I will definitely bring this one. Yeah. So what do you think about it? How do you feel? Please leave a comment and tell me what you feel about it. Also, if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Yeah, personally, this will be my new go-to sleeping bag. Okay, thank you for watching. あ、うるさかった？ My kids just woke up and came down the first floor, so yeah, you know, my kids are watching me, so it's kind of weird. But hey guys, I started to film the video from really early morning, but yeah, I accidentally made a big noise and my kids woke up and came downstairs. So I couldn't conclude the video. So let me conclude. The Thermarest Neoair NXT is much quieter than the previous model, but it is still noisier than the Tensor, Nemo Tensor Insulated. I'm short, I'm 5'5", I'm 165 centimeters. Thermarest Neoair NXT is 328 grams. It's advertised like 326 grams, but it's not. So 328 grams are insanely light for the warmth and the versatility. So yeah, I will go for it. You know, Tensor is quiet, but the biggest flaw of the mat is being quiet. I tested out the Tensor in the yard, my backyard, and it's not a warm mat, in my opinion, though. And also, the Nemo Tensor is actually heavy. I will put the weight somewhere on the screen. I used to use Neoair Xlite women's because it has 5'6" length model. Eventually, the Thermarest released 5'6" lengths of the normal unisex version of the sleeping pad. Yeah, so, you know, why not? It's no-brainer to go for it. This is my conclusion. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. If you have done already, as always, thank you very much. See you outside. Bye.